Hey, what's up, guys? Today, taking off the door panel for an 05 to 09 Mustang. First things first is you want to get a 7mm and take off 8 bolts that sit around the door panel. There's 1, 2 on the inside. There's going to be 2 on the outside, and then there's going to be 4 along the bottom. So take those out, put them off to the side. Go ahead and come to this panel right here, the top corner, pull it forward, there's a clip there, and the bottom corner, pull it forward, there's a clip there. There they are. After that, you can take it out. You can take your switch panel out from the top, but it might get caught along here, at the bottom of this material, and this gets damaged real easy. Usually it's peeling off, but this one's in good condition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it out complete. Just go ahead and pull it forward. It's going to be a little tough because there's actually 4 clips that hold this one. And I already took out the connector, so that just comes right out. After that, you're going to need a flathead, small flathead. Behind the door handle, there's a small panel. When you take out this panel, use your flathead and pry against your finger. It's not going to take that much effort, just so you don't damage this. So go ahead, there's one in the front and there's one in the back. After that comes out, and you pull it up. And behind that panel, there's going to be a T30 Torx right there. I already took it out. It's just loose, just sitting in there. So I'll pull that out. That's it. And the last thing is this panel that sits behind the handle right here. It's going to be all the way up against this wall right here. So what you want to do is you want to push it back as far as you can this way, and after that you should have enough space to get your flathead in there. And after that you can just pry it out and it'll just pop forward. And behind it is also going to be another T30 Torx, and that's it for that. After that, go ahead and grab it from the handle and underneath the speaker, because you have to go ahead and pull it up, and after that it falls forward. So just let it lean against your leg. And this is the most difficult part. This is a butterfly clip for the door handle cable. You have to depress both sides on it and then pull it back. After you get that out, just pull it around and up, and that part comes right out. Pull out your sensor for your door lock switch and the sensor for the speaker. And after that, that's it. There's the door panel. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, check out my other videos. I have a ton of videos on this Mustang, and also other cars too. This is a parts car, so this part's going to get torn down all the way. If you need any parts, I also have these parts up for sale on eBay. I'll leave a link down to my store in the description. And that's it. Thanks, guys.